Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we talked about the 25th anniversary of Windows XP this week. And we have an interesting story about one of the most famous, actually the most famous Windows key to activate Windows XP that ever existed. I bet a lot of people watching these videos might have used it. So, this is a key that was meant to activate Windows XP 25 years ago. Everybody that had a pirated copy of Windows XP was actually using this version with this key. And so there were a lot of stories behind this back in the day. A lot of people were saying, oh, well, this is a pirated key. It has a special meaning. Some people thought that the first letters here bypassed the verification system from Microsoft. Well, no, there's nothing like that at all. What's the story behind it? And I knew back then because I had read about it somewhere, as a lot of people on my clients when I was doing tech duties actually had that version. So it turns out that Microsoft, of course, had started its new activation system. And so you had to enter the key, then it would create a special ID with your CPU, the RAM, the graphics, and other parts within your PC and match them together so that it would know Windows XP was activated on your machine with that specific key. And Microsoft back then relied on Windows to do a lot of money. It was the cash cow with Microsoft Office. So there was no free Windows XP. What happened is that they didn't have a bypass. They didn't have a way, they didn't think about it on bypassing this. And so what happened is that they would give corporate keys. And the corporate keys were one key for hundreds of computers within the company, and that would activate and would not have to call home. They would not to go and activate online. It didn't have to do that. It just bypassed all of that. One of the keys actually got lost, and that's the famous key everybody was using. Now, Microsoft did have a way to actually revoke the key. It could have said that key is not valid, but it realized by doing so, it would also not valid thousands of corporate computers. So it was totally stuck. And I can't cancel this key because this key is, going to kind of have thousands of computers saying that now it's a pirated copy. You would have had a watermark and all, and your PC would restart once an hour back then. And it just let it go because it had no way of doing or bypassing anything. It was on Microsoft servers treated as a pirated key, but the thing is that was a corporate key. So it would tell Windows activate and it would not call home because it was a corporate key, which means you don't call home. You don't need to verify. So that was the story behind that key. Kind of interesting that that's an embarrassing blunder, basically. So that's where all that happened with that product key for Windows XP and why so many people had that key to activate their copies of Windows XP back in the day. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.